Samsung has just introduced the Galaxy A56, bringing a fresh design, upgraded performance, and improved camera capabilities. Packed with new features and longer software support, this mid-range device aims to offer a high-end experience at a more budget-friendly price. But do these changes make it a worthwhile choice? The first thing you'll notice is the updated design. Instead of the separate circular camera cutouts seen in earlier models, Samsung has adopted an oblong camera module similar to its premium Galaxy Z Fold series. This change gives the phone a more polished and modern look. It comes in 4 color options: awesome graphite, awesome light gray, awesome olive, and awesome pink. The back panel is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and the frame is made of metal. Samsung has also incorporated recycled materials, with 20% of the side keys and SIM tray made from reused plastic, reinforcing its focus on sustainability. Camera performance has also seen some meaningful improvements. The front camera now features a 12-megapixel sensor with video HDR capabilities and an f/2.2 aperture. A new Love Noise mode enhances selfies in dim lighting. On the back, there's a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. The updated image signal processor enhances night mode and overall low-light shots, while auto-exposure bracketing ADR ensures better exposure in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, switching between lenses is now twice as fast as before. Samsung has also included software tools like Best Face, Object Eraser, and customizable filters to enhance photos. The display has been refined for a better viewing experience. It features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with a peak brightness of 1,900 nits and a high brightness mode of 1,200 nits, making it easier to see in bright sunlight. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling in gaming. To protect against scratches and drops, Samsung has used Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for durability. The Vision Booster feature enhances visibility by adjusting the display based on lighting conditions. The speakers have also been upgraded, offering richer and more balanced sound. Performance-wise, Samsung has equipped the Galaxy A56 with the Exynos 1580 chipset, built on a 4-nanometer process. This processor brings a 12% increase in neural processing unit performance, a 17% boost in graphics processing, and an 18% improvement in CPU power compared to its predecessor. To handle heat more efficiently, the device includes a larger vapor chamber, similar to the one in the Galaxy S24 Plus. There are multiple memory and storage options available, including 8GB of RAM with 128GB or 256GB of storage, and a higher-end model with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The battery remains at 5,000 mAh, providing solid battery life, but charging has improved. The phone now supports 45-watt fast charging, allowing for quicker recharges compared to previous models. Samsung has also integrated new AI-powered features under what it calls Awesome Intelligence. The enhanced circle-to-search function, powered by Google, can now recognize phone numbers and email addresses instantly. The device also includes an improved phone search feature that works without switching apps. Samsung Wallet now supports digital keys, letting users unlock compatible cars using near-field communication and Bluetooth. However, since the device lacks ultra-wideband technology, it does not support hands-free unlocking. This feature will initially roll out in select regions, including Asia, Europe, and North America, with further expansion planned. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Have you ever imagined just how slim a smartphone can get without sacrificing its performance? Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge may be on the brink of answering that question. But there's a twist to the story. The Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to give Apple's iPhone 17 Air a run for its money. Both of these upcoming smartphones are expected to wow us with their incredibly slim designs, but the real question is, how slim can they go while still offering the powerful features we expect from premium devices? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, while the Galaxy S25 Edge could potentially come in even thinner at 6.4 millimeters, with some speculations hinting that it may be as thin as 5.8 millimeters. But let's not focus solely on how thin these phones are. There's also something else to consider. OnePlus is preparing to unveil the Open 2, which could be as thin as 4 millimeters when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone at just 4 millimeters. However, let's return to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has sparked plenty of buzz due to its early performance results. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench, a well-known benchmarking tool that evaluates a phone's performance by testing its processor, graphics, and overall speed. It measures how well a device handles multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. The first test results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were exactly consistent, with a score of 3005 in the single-core test and 6945 in the multi-core test. But more recent results have shown a notable shift. The updated benchmarks show that the Galaxy S25 Edge scored 2,806 in the single-core test, slightly lower than before, but it achieved a much stronger score of 8,416 in the multi-core test. This suggests that the phone could be more efficient at handling multiple tasks at once, which is a major plus for those who use their phones for gaming or multitasking. That said, it's important to remember that these are early test results and the device isn't official yet, so these figures should be taken with a pinch of salt. Performance aside, Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature some impressive specs, including a 200-megapixel main camera that will surely appeal to photography enthusiasts. On the front, the phone will likely sport a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The display will be equipped with an LTPO panel that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. If that's not bright enough for you, I'm not sure what is. For durability, Samsung is expected to include an Armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making the Galaxy S25 Edge resistant to drops and scratches. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge will likely be powered by 12 GB of random access memory, RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring that the device runs fast and efficiently, even when handling large files and apps. It will also feature support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring quick data transfer and seamless connectivity. In terms of charging, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to support 25-watt charging speeds. While this might not be the fastest charging solution available, it should be more than enough for quick top-ups throughout the day. As for the processor, while it hasn't been officially confirmed, it's likely that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with Samsung likely sticking with Qualcomm for this generation. We might see Exynos chips return in the Galaxy S26, but for now, the Snapdragon 8 Elite seems like the safer choice. One thing to keep in mind is the battery. While the battery might be smaller than previous models, the Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency should allow the Galaxy S25 Edge to last all day without any major issues. At least it better. If you're as excited about the Galaxy S25 Edge as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have you been waiting for the One UI 7 update on your Samsung phone? The wait could be nearly over. For the past few months, Samsung fans have been on edge, watching as Galaxy S24 series owners enjoy the beta version of the upcoming update. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the new version. Well, the end of the wait might be closer than we think. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the exact release date, there are several strong indicators that the update could roll out very soon. A key clue is the upcoming launch of the Galaxy S25 series.